Alright, so I'm here with my personal Nintendo Switch, having a little bit of trouble again. So, what's happening is the left Joy-Con is disconnecting, as you can hopefully see. Let's zoom in. Right now it's disconnected. Oh, wiggle it around. It connects and disconnects. So I've already tried a different Joy-Con, and the same thing's happening, and I've also cleaned, the contacts on the inside here and on the controller, and you know no dice. So I think I have some parts for here. We'll find out. I'm gonna open it up and see what's going on. All right, so the left rail here. Pop off the card reader. I think that's all the screws. Nope. Okay, let's get the ribbon cable out of there. Sorry, the power. So I think this ribbon comes under the board and then pops up right here. Um, let's take off the rail. I'm assuming it's just a ribbon cable issue, and I just need to put in a new rail. I'm not actually sure if I have any replacement rails. Should have at least one. Pop this out of here. All right. I can see if the microscope can see down in there. I really doubt it, but let's try it anyway. Okay, got the microscope up. See if I can get it to focus. Okay. There's all the pins. Nothing like obviously broken. Trying to see if I can get it to wiggle around or something. Well, that's the whole thing. I guess that's meant to move around. Wonder if it's not meant to move around that much, maybe? I mean, ribbon cable does not look like it's damaged. And it doesn't have any sharp bends like inside the Joy-Con does. That one fails all the time. I already tried cleaning it. Don't really understand why it wouldn't be working. Doesn't look like there's any circuitry. I mean, there's a little board there, but that's just traces, I think. Now I'm worried if I replace it, it's not going to fix it, but I'll try it. All right, so I found one replacement in my bag of Switch stuff, so I don't know. Let's see how this goes. I'm a little bit worried because it's just sitting there loose, and so I already took it off something, so don't know if it's good or not. All right, let's check it out on the microscope real quick. See all the pins there, connectors, loosey goosey, just like the other one. Yeah, ribbon cable. Does not appear to be kinked or ripped or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Try it. It would be crazy if it was the connector on the board somehow, which would also not make sense to me. Yeah, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to get a new replacement because I don't have any extras. Connected. Come on. Oh, disconnected. No. Why would that be happening? Is this just what happens over time? There's too much movement? Nope. There it goes again. And I don't have a brand new part to try out. Dang. Well, I guess for now, I'm gonna have to order a part and put this video on pause and see if the new part is any better than this. I mean, this seems like an improvement, which makes me think that it is just maybe the metal or something in there wearing out and allowing a little bit more movement than it should over time. Because why would this one be a little bit better than the first one? Because it was connecting all or disconnecting a lot more than this. I can almost not get this one to disconnect until it does once in a while. So yeah, I'm gonna cut and be back with the new part and see how that goes. But yeah, this is definitely more solid. Not perfect. Okay, back to this. This is my personal Switch, and I've been having problems with the left Joy-Con disconnecting, and I I replaced the ribbon cable and everything. I believe I didn't replace the metal rail, although I couldn't find anything wrong with it. I cleaned everything. I don't know what's going on, why it's still disconnecting. Um, I even have replacement clips. These right here. If you can see, it's metal in there. So it's not the fact that that plastic is like letting it move a little further than it should. The only thing I can think of is that the metal rail is somehow worn out of spec. Like somehow, I don't know. But I'm gonna try and replace that. But every now and then, even if I see disconnected. So the right one, I don't believe has any issues. Never get that one to disconnect, just the left one. Yeah, it stays fine. This one, and it's not consistent. There it is. Still good. On the right, disconnected on the left. So I'm going to try to replace the metal there. It's the last part that I can think of that would be a problem. Okay. Some broken plastic. That's always good. Sweet. Cracked corner now. I only play this docked really, so I'm going to have to get under the metal protector here. Unclip right here. So this one has some kind of shielding or protection here. This one does not. The replacement, unfortunately. Get all of these screws out on the side. Okay, I think this should, yep, just pops right out. Put the new one in. Okay, that's in. Battery's connected. Let's get the SD card plugged in so I can test this out. It feels like it. Let's see. We'll find out. Should be booting. There we go. When I bang on this left Joy-Con, I might actually knock out the SD card. Worried about that a little bit. We'll find out though. Okay. Left Joy-Con. Okay. I think it would have disconnected by now. Hitting it pretty hard. Nice. I think that did it. Awesome. What a weird problem. Nothing's wrong with this thing, just It's a little bit misshapen somewhere. Maybe it's these points right here, here, and here. Maybe they can just be bent a little bit. Or these other little tiny metal points, I'm not sure. Either way, it's working now. Cool.